partly sunny. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Brown County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Adams County in southwestern Ohio, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sardinia, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Orab, Winchester, Sardinia, Seaman, Emerald, Decatur, Russellville, Cherry Fork, Lake Winoka, Fincastle and State Route 32 at US Route 62.